Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Zoom privacy settings and meeting security controls, full guide step by step clearly. To set up Zoom privacy settings and meeting security controls, start by signing in to your Zoom account. Once logged in, navigate to the settings menu on the left sidebar. You will see several tabs at the top of the settings page. Click on the meeting tab to access meeting settings. Scroll down to the security section. Here, you can toggle on the require a password for instant meetings option. This adds an extra layer of security for your meetings. Next, if you plan to schedule meetings, enable the require a password when scheduling new meetings option. This will ensure that all scheduled meetings are protected by a password. Now, look for the waiting room setting. Enabling the waiting room allows you to control who enters the meeting. You can admit participants individually, which adds another layer of security. Scroll further down to find the meeting ID option. Choose the Generate Automatically setting to use a random meeting ID for each session. This helps to prevent unauthorized access to your meetings. Next, locate the only authenticated users can join meetings setting. Enabling this requires participants to sign in to their Zoom accounts, enhancing security. Now, let's explore in meeting settings. Within the meeting, ensure you have the lock meeting feature enabled. This prevents new participants from joining once the meeting has begun. Also, consider enabling Enable Join Before Host. This allows participants to enter the meeting early, but lock it when you arrive. Check the chat settings to restrict participants from messaging each other directly. This limits unnecessary interactions and distractions. In the Participants section, allow remove participants if needed. This enables you to remove disruptive users from the meeting quickly. Lastly, remember to regularly review your settings. Changes in Zoom's policies or features may require updating your configurations. With these steps, you can effectively manage your Zoom privacy and meeting security settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.